Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to reset your KuCoin trading password, step by step. First, you will need to open the KuCoin application or visit the website and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon, usually found in the top left corner, and then select Security. From there, scroll down until you find the Trading Password section. This is where we will begin the reset process. Now that you are in the Trading Password section, you will see an option to Forgot Trading Password. Click on this to initiate the reset. KuCoin will then ask you to complete a security verification. This typically involves sending a verification code to your linked email address or phone number, or using your Google two-factor authentication. Carefully enter the 6-digit codes you receive to verify your identity and move to the next stage. After the initial verification, you may need to complete an identity verification process. This often involves uploading photos of your identification documents to confirm you are the account owner. Once your identity is successfully verified, you will be prompted to create a new trading password. Remember, this password must be 6 digits long and contain only numbers. Enter your desired new password, then confirm it by typing it again to ensure accuracy. Congratulations! Your KuCoin trading password has now been successfully reset. Please note that for security reasons, withdrawal-related functions will be temporarily disabled for a period of 24 hours after the reset. This is a standard measure to protect your assets. Always remember to keep your trading password confidential and never share it with anyone. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.